Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can activate marketplace on your Facebook account. Well, it's quite easy process, so all you have to do is open your Facebook first of all and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after doing that, tap on the menu bar right here, and after tapping on the menu bar here, you can also see the option of marketplace right here. But if you want your marketplace to be pinned on your navigation bar, what you're going to do is simply tap on the gear like icon right here and get to the settings of your account. So after getting to the settings here, scroll down a bit, you can see the option of tab bar. Tap on tab bar. After tapping on tab bar here, you can get the option of customize the bar. Tap on customize the bar, and then here you can see under the hidden option there is the marketplace. So it can also be under the available option. All you have to do is tap on this arrow and drag this arrow down, then tap on pin option. After doing that, here you can see marketplace has now successfully been pinned into your navigation bar. And then you can just go back. You can also see the option of manage notification dots. If you tap on it and simply enable marketplace, now you'll be able to get notifications from marketplace too. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.